Good morning children, welcome back. This is your book. Open your book. On the last class, you all have learned to make words with the sound TH. I hope you all have done your homework. These all are the words you have to learn. I hope you all remember these words. Today we are going to revision it and then we will go through. See, there is a word using TH sound. THIN, thin. THIEF, thief. THRILL, thrill. THING, thing. THINK, think. THE, the. THESE, these. THOSE, those. THIS, this. THAT, that. The another one is THROAT, thought. THROW, throw. THUMB, thumb. THREAD, thread. THREE, three. THIRST, thirst. THIGH, thigh. THIRD, third. THERMOS, thermos. THIRT, 30. These 20 words you can see. You all have to remember these 20 words. This is your dictation also. Today we are going to learn some more sound, some more words from the sound TH. Here you see we have some more words. BATH, bath. Here is also a TH sound, but these sounds are called on the end of the word. Last day we learned the words start with TH sound, and today we learn the words ends with TH sound. BATH, bath. PATH, path. CLOTH, cloth. FROTH, froth. Some of the words you all have to read it again. BATH, bath. PATH, path. CLOTH, cloth, and FROTH, froth. We also have some words with TH sound used in the middle, like father, FATHER, father. Mother, MOTHER, mother. Brother, BROTHER, brother. Here is some word with TH on the middle. FATHER, father. MOTHER, mother. BROTHER, brother. We are also going to write some more words using TH. We are going to write it on small. Kids, now you all are in KG2. On KG1, you all are know to write cursive. So on this class you all have to try. All of the things you write, all are written in cursive. Okay. BOTH, both. BIRTH, birth. And THURS, oops, DAY, Thursday. You see, I have started this word with capital letter because Thursday is the name of the day and all of the day we are written with capital. You all know that. This is the homework for today. You all have to remember. You all have to write it on 3 times. Write it on your notebook 3 times. And remember it. Okay kids, that is the end for today. I will come tomorrow with a new lesson. Till then, bye.